All right, Chris here from Great Lakes Mortar Racks. Now we're going to CATO fiberglass tube, 4-inch fiberglass tube inside this metal rack. Let's see what happens now. Right about there. Holy smokes. All right, hold on. Let me get this out of here. I think my lens is okay still. All right. So, as you can see, that was a catastrophe to say the least. Can you see that come up and out of there? Well, there's half of the pipe, and there's the other half. So that's fiberglass. That's all bad. So there you have it. HDPE versus fiberglass. Same shells, same test. Look at the frame, dude. Wow. Interesting. I mean, I like the way the rack performed. So that's cool. That can be fixed, actually. We can bend that back in and reuse that. So that's it. That's, of course, we already took the plug out of it. Careful. Now you'd really have to be careful for sliver, or watch for slivers with fiberglass when that shit happens. There you go. Fiberglass versus HDPE. Thanks for watching.